Hallelujah. Christ Love Assembly the Soul Winners celebrate our Silver Jubilee and 25th Annual Convention with the theme is Great Mercy from Sunday 2nd to Sunday 9th May 2021. Sunday May 2nd is welcome service by 9 a.m. You are invited also to a 5-day evening revival session from Monday May 3rd to Friday May 7th by 5:30 p.m. daily. On Wednesday May 5th is Founders Day by 5 p.m. Thursday May 6th to Friday 7th is Ministers and Church Workers Congress session where Dr. Bola Akinjon of International Church Growth Ministry will be speaking extensively. Also, Dr. Adedeji Adekusibe, Evangelist Prophet Sheson Peter, and Reverend Banja, and most especially is the Silver Jubilee celebration and Thanksgiving service, which will take place on Sunday, May 9th by 12 noon. All events takes place at Christ Love Assembly number 10 to 12, Kunle Ogunade Street, off Pastor Ojediro Street, Orilowo Estate Bus Stop, Ejigbo, Lagos. Your host ministers are Evangelist Ibikunle Piers, Pastor Dr. Peter Olabirinjo, and Pastor Israel Adeglori, while the president and founder of Christ Love Assembly the Soul Winners, Reverend Samuel Ajibola Olabirinjo, will be on ground to pronounce blessings with God's covenant upon his life. Do not wait to be told. We shall be expecting you. Jesus Christ is the Lord.